Assigning chores in GoHenry is a great way to teach your children the value of money and responsibility. To get started, log into your GoHenry account and navigate to the Tasks section. Here you can create and assign chores to your children, setting a specific amount they will earn upon completion. First, click on the Add Task button and enter the name of the chore, such as cleaning their room or doing the dishes. Then, set the frequency of the task, whether it is a one-time chore or a recurring weekly task. You can also add a description to provide more details about the chore. Next, assign the task to the relevant child and set the amount they will earn upon completion. You can also set a deadline for when the task needs to be completed. Once you have filled in all the details, click Save to create the task. Your child will receive a notification when a new task is assigned to them, and they can mark the task as complete when they have finished it. You will then receive a notification to review and approve the task, at which point the payment will be made to your child's account. To make the most of assigning chores in GoHenry, make sure to set clear expectations and deadlines, and provide feedback to your child on their progress. You can also use the Tasks section to track your child's earnings and spending, and to identify areas where they may need more guidance. By following these steps and using the Tasks section in GoHenry, you can help your child develop a strong work ethic and a healthy relationship with money. Remember to regularly review and update the tasks to keep your child engaged and motivated, and to provide opportunities for them to earn money and learn valuable life skills.